I have a very interesting reading for you today. Universe really wants to bring your heart's desire to a success. So let's just find out. I have 4 options for you. Now, let me tell you that you can choose more than one. It is fine, perfectly fine, because there might be more than one desires of yours getting fulfilled by the universe. So please go ahead and do that if you feel like. But at the same time, just select any crystal that calls you more, and do not think much. Just go by your gut and instant feeling that you get. Just select it and your answer should be there. So let's just start with the reading then. Alright, pile 1. I can see that the wish that universe wants to fulfill for you is a wish. I'm giving you hints. You can just, as please understand that this is a general reading, so align your wish accordingly and understand the meaning accordingly. I'm just giving you the scenarios that I see here. So I'm seeing that you have really kept yourself unshaken for this wish to come true. And for few of you, it is literally a marriage, a proposal that you have been waiting for, some relationship that you have been trying to hold up to, and you just was wishing that this should come true, and you let pile 2. Let's jump into your reading. Let's find out the desire that is going to be fulfilled by the universe for you. So I'm getting 2-3 messages, as it is a general reading, so please take what resonates to your scenario. I'm seeing some of you might be wanting to go on a cruise or have a vacation with your partner or with your family. This is something that you have been really waiting for a long time. So universe is about to fulfill that for you. And the others are pile 3. Let's see which wish of yours is coming true. It's going to be fulfilled by the universe. So yes, I'm seeing this. This is a wish wherein you've put in a lot of effort. You have required a lot of strength of yours. It has required your physical, mental, emotional, as well as spiritual strength. And you have done a great job. You've really managed to keep yourself on your toes. Keep doing pile 4. So let's see which desire of yours is getting fulfilled. I'm seeing this desire. You've put in all your effort. You have drained yourself and done everything that was possible in your capabilities. You've done all. You've put in all the cards in one stack. You put in all the efforts. This might be a wish that you might have given up on. This might be a wish that you might have thought that now maybe it's not going to happen only.